One, go.
Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to present to you our research entitled Intervention Scheme in English, List Mastered in the Performance of Grade 5 Pupils of Area J Elementary School. The proponents of this research are Teacher Aileen A. Pedriña, Teacher Princess Iris V. Gañalongo, and of course, yours truly, Dr. Cynthia C. Cadua. As a 21st century learner, instructional materials are a useful task, and as a 21st century classroom teacher, it is essential that we become concerned with the type of instructional materials used in teaching that can be used in any learning situations. Instructional materials establish alternative channels of communication from which the teacher can use to transport or deliver more instructional information to learners having high quality.
Here are the research questions. What are the least mastered skills in second quarter English for grade 5? Number 2. Based on the research of the second quarterly test, what instructional worksheets may be developed? Number 3. How do the learners perform in the pre-test and post-test before and after using the instructional worksheet? Number 4. Is there significant difference between the pre-test and post-test results? The scope and limitation. The instructional worksheet in classroom strategy can begin to help all students engage in learning English. Development of the students who depend on school to learn academic language by using this strategy. Teachers can begin to help all students engage in English. Methodology. By using sampling, the study used descriptive research method. The respondents of the study composed of 30 grade 5 pupils from Area J Elementary School, second quarter of the school year 2019-2020. We also used data collection. This study will use in form of evaluating the performance progress of the learners. She will likely provide a checklist intended for the teachers, parents, pupils involved, and to the monitor development of pupils' learning. This study will use questionnaires, observation sheets, interview form, and tests to gather the validity of the result. Here are the examples of our worksheets for the second quarter.
To answer the following 4 research questions, for problem number 1, the least mastered skills for second quarter English grade 5 are the following: inverted sentences, subject-verb agreement, intervening phrases, point of view, propaganda stereotype, adjectives, and denotation connotation. Research question number 2. Based on the second quarter least mastered skills in English for grade 5 learners, instructional worksheets were developed to improve the performance of the learners. The developed instructional worksheets were arranged based on the least mastered skills topics needed for the improvement and were aligned to the K-12 curriculum guide of the grade 5 English. Subproblem number 3. How do the learners perform in the pre-test and post-test? It can be seen in the table that the mean score of the learners had increased from 17.90 to 37.70, which obtained a high performance from 5.77 to 3.06, with a verbal interpretation of low with a higher performance level in post-test than the pre-test after the utilization of the instructional worksheets in English for grade 5 learners. Subproblem number 4 is there is any difference between the pre-test and post-test. So as you can see, as the result revealed, There is a significant difference between the pretest and posttest mean score of the grade 5 learners. Educators continually look for the strategies to enhance and improve the reading practices of their learners. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Aileen A. Pedriña, together with my proponents, Princess Iris B. Gañalongo and Dr. Cynthia C. Cadua.